In this video, we are going to see how to create routing in Vue Js Laravel project. So this is how I have created routing where you can see the URL and the text which is changing when I click on a particular tab. So I have implemented the routing. I will explain you how to implement this routing. So first you need to create different view page. I have created view page like home.view, contact.view, about.view. So these are the page that I have created and written text like a home page and about page. I have written about page. So I have created a default view page. Now we have to create router.js inside this JS folder. So I have created router.js file and inside that I have imported create web history and create router from Vue router. And also I have imported home, contact and about. So here I have defined a constant where path name and component is has been declared. So and after we are using this constant inside this create router, and here we have created web history and routes, and we have exported this router. After completing this router.js, we have imported the router.js in app.js file. Here I have created the app and I have used router, and this I have mounted on app ID. You can see app ID inside this web.blade.php. So this is how I have defined code for implementing the routing. Let's see the route, Laravel route, where I have written here any, which will accept any parameter, and we are allowing all the URL which is defined inside route. So after doing this, after implementing everything, you can see here this routing is working properly. Thank you for watching this video.